Imagine a coworker who not only speaks your language perfectly, but he's also a master in Chinese. This opens new doors and opportunities for your business. Essentially, your very own multilingual James Bond, minus the car chases and gadgets. Kotlin is a lot like this door-opening coworker. It's a programming language that integrates seamlessly with Java, which is very popular in the industry, and brings the additional benefit of interoperation with modern platforms and tools. Kotlin enables developers to write code that's both concise and expressive, like the poet laureate of programming languages. Managing complexity while maintaining efficiency is a bit of a dark art. Java developers often grapple with verbose syntax, which can slow development and introduce more room for error. Picture Charles Dickens and a computer who had a baby. In addition to that, as businesses expand globally, the need to integrate with systems and services predominantly used in other regions, like China, vast manufacturing sector, becomes crucial. Here, not having a tool that speaks the local language can limit opportunity, similar to a business using only English in China. Or, put simply, it's like playing charades without any clues. Kotlin addresses these challenges by being interoperable with Java, meaning it can easily work within existing Java systems without requiring major overhauls, like a bilingual coworker who can translate and communicate effectively in other critical business domains. This makes sure that businesses can continue using their vast repositories of Java code while adopting new, more efficient technologies. No, it won't put a new coffee machine in the break room. In addition to this, Kotlin's concise nature allows for writing clearer, more reliable code quickly. It cuts down the usual verbosity seen in Java, making it possible to express complex ideas in fewer lines of code. This is like having a coworker who can make a compelling pitch in a few well-chosen words, greatly improving team understanding and efficiency. The debate is still ongoing, but some people suggest this might be better than being able to fix the Office printer. Google's endorsement of Kotlin as a preferred language for Android app development marked a pivotal moment, similar to a company recognizing the strategic advantage of a bilingual coworker. This validated Kotlin's benefits and paved the way for its widespread adoption across multiple applications. It's more popular than Winston Churchill giving pep talks during lunch breaks. Like a versatile and succinct coworker, Kotlin not only makes daily tasks more manageable, but also equips businesses to expand into new markets with ease. Its ability to streamline coding practices while bridging the gap with an industry-leading platform like Android illustrates its pivotal role in modern software development. Go and explore the power of Kotlin. I left a link in the comment below. Kotlin can help you enhance your coding efficiency and expand your market reach, just like a multilingual coworker could transform your business opportunities.